Hello, this is a Pulse Oximeter by Mateen, so we're gonna unbox it. So this contains one, but this has a Pulse Oximeter in it, a lanyard, a user manual, and 2 AAA batteries. So you don't need to buy a separate battery pack. So we're gonna open it. So you need to open the tape, and then, so whenever you open it, there's a user manual. You can read it later, but yeah. So after this, there's a box containing the Pulse Oximeter. So what it says is register on Mateen.com as VIP to extend the product warranty to 24 months. So you just go to the website and register to get your product warranty. So next we got a lanyard and 2 AAA batteries. So let's first open the lanyard. It comes in a small Ziploc baggie. So you just unroll it. So the easiest way to put this in through here is just do this, and then hold it a little back and then push it through. It may not work sometimes, but you just need to try, and then you can go, it'll probably go through it. I'm gonna put it in the lanyard later, so let's keep it away for now. So moving on to the batteries, you can see this thing. So you just pull on it and then it removes. So you put both the batteries the same way. So after you put it in, you put this back on and make sure it's tight enough. So now you press the power button. It takes a little time to refresh. So the best finger to do it is your middle finger. So you wait a little, like 5 to 6 seconds, and then the top one is the oxygen level and the bottom one is the beats per minute. So this is your heart rate and this is your oxygen level. So after you're done doing this, you just do this and take it off, and after it goes away, you press the power button a little and then it turns off. So this is pretty good and of an oximeter. It's pretty good, and this is the inside. So this hole on the back is where you put the lanyard, and this is where it comes out on the top, and then you do, and yeah, that's all for the Pulse Oximeter. So by the way, as I said, if you register on the website, you can get a 24-month warranty. So yeah, and bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.